Hi, my name is Bruno Deschayes and I am the designer of this website, and so it's my great pleasure to take you around for this tour. So let's get in, shall we? I've got my email and my password here already, so I just click login and this is the main screen. Now, what is TradingPal? It's not a broker's advisory service. We're not recommending any stocks or any trades in particular. The idea, on the other hand, is to see how far we can go with a computer trading system using purely technical analysis. In other words, uh, trying to make the figures talk for themselves and see whether there are some instruments there which are reliable enough to give a sound gauge. Now, as the name indicates, TradingPal is something to bounce ideas with and try to refine your resolve and your trading style. I'm sure some people will find ways to lose money with this system, but really the best way to use it is to compare your own trades with what TradingPal has done in the same circumstances. So at the time this video is recorded, April 2010, Forex is not that fantastic. We barely make it over 10% with certain pairs. So I'll show you all the bad things first. I keep the best for last. Commodities seems to be where the action is, and let's have a look at how different indicators perform. So let's have a look at a sweet deal on raw sugar. 60% on your money over 9 months. This is how it's done. That indicator here is the position. TradingPal is always in the market, swinging from long to short and back again. So here we started with a long position, a short position that we got slapped, but then we redeemed ourselves with a good long and a current short position which is not closed. Obviously, for the sake of the graph, we have to close it at the last date to show a closing figure here. Okay, so that's with the green indicator called the super trend. Let's see how sugar goes with another indicator called CAMA, the Kaufman Adaptive Moving Average. And let's click on commodities. And yes, sugar is the second on the top of the chart. And similar story, we get slapped on the short trade here. But overall, the indicator managed to keep its cool despite this turbulence here. And this short cost us the profit of the first long trade, but the third and fourth trade are absolutely brilliant. There's also Japanese candlesticks graphs for short-term trade, and sugar is there as well. And just one short trade, and we still managed to make 36% on our money in just 2 months. Let's have a look at something else. Let's have a look at a rare metal called palladium, and here we've got a hiccup here with a short trade which was a false signal. Overall it's a steady climb, but Supertrend managed to get tripped on 2 occasions and we make 24% on our money there. Let's have a look at how the CAMA would deal with the same. This is the top 108% on our money, and you've guessed it, it's one single long trade. It doesn't get phased out anywhere. Let's have a look at the short-term candles. Let's click on commodities, and palladium is there. And we've got 2 trades. For some reason we got off on the wrong foot with a short trade, and we only make 6% over 2 months. So nothing is perfect, and obviously with the wisdom of hindsight, we can always pick the best possible trades. I choose not to do that. I actually give you a whole of horrors so that you see the things not to do and the things to stay well clear of. Let's have a look at some stocks now, shall we? If we go to the US, let's pick Google. Almost 50% on our money here, and 3 perfect trades. Okay, let's have a look at what the camera does on this one. And if I click on US, Google is the second after Apple, and we have a loss here where we closed that short a bit too late, but overall it's pretty good. If we go back to some other stocks like Flight Centre, this is a one long trade here, and if we go to extras, also Flight Centre is top of the chart, again a single long trade. We wish we had more of those to show you. Anyway, that concludes this video on TradingPal. I hope to see you around, and please drop in the blog and leave a post there and keep in touch. Thank you for your attention.